What do you want?
2 orange juice.
Hello? What? Oh, call me later. Why do these people waste time?
Are you using ice cube that have license?
Every 2 days. The health department check this place, so we can't use local product even if we wish to. Hello? Didn't I ask you to call me later? Hang up the phone. Many people drink juice every day from here. We don't do adulteration here. Everything is neat and clean. We are good at it, sir. What do you like to have?
2 orange juice.
Orange juice? I'll get it.
The mixie wasn't washed properly. Please wash it again. See the dirt inside.
Is this enough? Hell with this neatness.
Hey, that orange is not washed, and the knife too.
I'm not preparing any poison here. This is a place for common people to come. If you want more neatness, you can go to a 5-star hotel. Get lost. Or do one thing. You come and prepare. I'll move away.
What's happening here?
This man is acting very fussy. He asked me to wash the juicer. I've washed it twice for him. Still he is not satisfied. What does he think of himself?
Don't worry, sir. Everything is clean here. You tell me, what shall I get for you?
My daughter is ill. It's her biopsy report. I received it today. Doctor confirmed it's cancer. All her foods and drinks needs extra care. That is why I... Please don't feel offended.
Please be seated. I will get you the juice.
Sit.
Move away.
What is this?
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, sir.
Fire and safety. Before I talk about this awareness, I would like to ask you something. Who all wish to become engineers? Who all wish to become doctors?
Sir, me.
And to become police officers?
Me.
Who all wish to become army officers?
Me.
Who all wish to become firemen? Nobody? So nobody is interested to become a fireman. But all of you certainly will become a fireman one day. A fireman is not a profession, but a duty of each and every citizen. No one is aware of lurking dangers that come in our lives. To save us from these dangers, every one of us must definitely become a fireman. So the firemen inside us not only save humans, but also those living around us and all those things that are around us. That's real fireman.
He is not able to breathe.
Tie around his waist. Sir, try to pull out. Is there a problem?
Looks like someone fell into the well.
Okay, sir. Shall I lift?
Move aside. What is this?
We are lifting.
Careful. Pull it hard. Slowly.
Come on, pull.
Hi, Roaster. I thought it was dead. Good. I got it back.
Come here.
Thank you, son. It was my only roaster.
Two Fire Force engine to save a rooster. At this rate, even if cockroach falls, two Fire Force engines will come.
Brother, if it's a roaster or a human being, the heartbeat is one and the same for all. It will be good if you try and understand it. Okay?
Throw it here.
Yes!
Prasad, throw it here.
Okay, okay. Pass it. Brother.
What was the case today?
A roaster fell into the well. Without even a scratch, I handed it to the owner.
Then a photo of you with the roaster will come in tomorrow's newspaper. That's for sure.
Brother,
Stand straight.
I need some money.
How much?
1,000?
1,000 is small amount.
Brother, domestic worries. When misfortune kicks from all four sides, 1,000 is very small amount. Hardly 2 weeks since my baby was born, and mom is suffering from asthma. Both of them are lying in adjacent wards. No idea where the money goes.
It's a month end. Borrowed from Lakshman Pillai. I have nothing.
I have already borrowed from him.
So I am the only one remaining.
Brother, lend me if you could. Brother, you haven't seen my baby's photo, right? Yeah, see ya. These were taken on the first 3 days of birth. This was last week's. The nose looks like me, right? This was taken yesterday. Brother, how quickly do children grow, right?
You talking as if your child is ready for marriage in 3 days. Get lost. Take it.
Thank you.
Sit inside. I'll be right back. Ma'am, is the report ready?
Report has not come. Let me check and get back to you.
Hey, wait! Are you leaving? Where are you going? Have you forgot that today is 28th? Hey, it's my send-off party.
Oh my god, you have become a pensioner. It's an error. In your records, you still have 10-15 years left.
Hey, my elder daughter is 23 now. Altogether, I have 30 years of service. After tomorrow morning's beep parade, I become retired leading fireman Lakshmanan Pillai.
What retirement life for you? Once retired from here, you will be easily posted in some hotel as a safety officer or a tutor in fire and safety college for a hefty salary.
No, that's not it. How much ever high I may get, the power and the happiness cannot be found anywhere.
This is what happens when one grows old. We'll share the rest of the thing at the send-off party at 6:30 today. Now I must meet a friend.
Hey, listen, don't keep chatting for long. Come back quickly.
Agreed.
Okay? Hey, have you seen a child inside that car?
Who? Which car?
My daughter was inside the car. When I returned after collecting the report from the center, I found my child missing.
Oh, is it? I'm sorry. She must be here somewhere.
No, she will not go without telling me anyway.
Hey, listen. Have you seen the child in the car?
No, what happened?
That was his daughter. He found the child missing after he came back.
As I was quite busy, I didn't notice.
Sir, you please see that site. She must have gone there. So sad. His daughter is missing.
How will we know?
Nobody understand the problem of politician without sugar, right? Yes. Hey, listen. Was he not the one who came in the morning? He seems to be in trouble.
Lot of people have crowded there. I'll be back. You look after the shop. What happened? What happened, sir?
Brother, my daughter is missing. She was seated inside the car and I had gone to collect the report. When I returned, she was missing.
There is no point in sitting here like this. Inform the police immediately. The police station is nearby. Come, let's go. Come.
Nobody's telling anything.
They must be inquiring.
Hello? Yes, 2 p.m., right? Okay, fine.
What is this bullshit? Where is 83/5 file? You keep it somewhere. Finally, I have to stumble before the judge. Who gave you this job? Che.
Sir. Sir.
Yeah. I got it. Yeah.
Sir.
I don't know where this paper come from.
Sir.
Yes.
It's been 2 hours. Any information about her?
I am inquiring with the details you gave me. But if she has run away with someone, I can't help it.
Sir, please try to understand my situation, sir. I'm really worried for her. Please don't hurt me.
What? Listen, I have not abducted your daughter, so don't try to teach me. You talk as if I have hidden your daughter in the station. I'm putting my maximum effort in this. But if you're gonna disturb me again and again, I'm not gonna do
Please
that.
shut up. Will you say the same thing if you lose your daughter?
Shut up. Don't come and teach me manners. Go sit in the corner. Did you understand? Now shut up and go there. Don't irritate
Sir,
me.
come. Let's search once more everywhere.
I'm already in tension and this guy irritates me too much.
Hey, ceremonial send-off salute is over. I am leaving. I have kept back the old radio which I was using. That's my gift for you.
Brother? Brother? Leading fireman Lakshmanan Pillai.
I don't feel like leaving.
Brother, why are you getting so emotional?
No, I'm all right. Come to hotel quickly. I will be leaving from here in 1 hour's time. No emergency cases today. The moment the next duty officer takes the charge, I will leave.
Okay, brother.
Okay. If you are not capable enough, better discard everything and go home.
Stop it! This is the police station.
I have given a complaint this afternoon that my daughter was missing. 4 hours have gone by. Tell me, what have you investigated so far? I want to know the development on this case.
If you have given a complaint, it will be surely investigated.
It's my girl's life. If anything happens to her, I will hang myself in front of the station.
Stop it! Are you the Home Minister to order us? It's not just your daughter's concern, but 6 people are missing from this city.
I
Understood?
don't want to hear your
Hey,
excuses.
stop. Don't talk to him like this. This is police station, not your house. You can't order us.
Then is this your dad's property?
shut up.
The khaki uniform you wear, the food you eat are the sweat of the people like me. The government has granted this uniform to you to protect people like me.
I'll show you why government has given us this uniform. Disrespect. The policeman. How dare you? Get lost. Get lost from here. Go away.
I won't leave you.
Hello? Where are you calling from? Where's the spot? What exactly happened? Oh, okay. Gopi! Gopi! Where's Gopi?
What happened?
He has not come yet. That's a tanker accident. Oh no.
Come on, come on. Lift him up.
Get away, come on.
Move aside, move aside, move aside. Move aside.
Oh my God.
Fast, fast.
Come on. Come back.
Move aside.
This side.
Lift him up.
Lead side. Oh my God.
Move aside. Bring the stretcher. Move aside, move aside.
Fast. Go, go, go.
God save them.
How long it has been?
Around 15 minutes, sir.
Move away. Move away.
Come this side. Hey, go back. Go back. Go back, man.
Ramesh, there are leakages at 2 spots. Listen, do one thing. Move the engine from the spot. Fuel is full tank. And the gas has spread enormously. Get the wooden pieces and the pneumatic tape from the fire engine. Without switching the engine, park it far away and put cold water. Come on, speed up, speed up. Don't switch off the engine. Put it on reverse gear. Come on, speed up, speed up. Get in. Get on, carry on, carry on. Move, move, move. Move on, move on. Alvin.
Yes, sir.
Get the gas detector and check how far it has been spread. Come on, speed up, speed up.
Hey, go back. Sir, see this.
Come on, speed up, speed up.
Okay, sir.
doing? Switch off your phones, please. It's LPG gas which is leaking. What the hell are you doing? Even a small spark will reduce everything into ashes. Stand away, I said. Please move away. Evacuate. Alvin.
Sir.
Tape is set.
It's ready, sir.
Please call and get 2 more units of engines. Up to 30 meters long, the gas has spread everywhere. All vehicles has to be removed immediately.
Brother, a tanker has overturned. The matter is very serious. Already called for the 3rd unit. Where are you now?
Come on. Back. Come back. Move. Come back. Move.
What is that fallen there? Is it petrol?
No, it is LPG, cooking gas, which is used for household purpose.
Then why is it leaking like petrol, sir?
That's how gas will leak. Stand over, man. Don't come forward.
Sir, from how long I'm asking you to evacuate? See, it's not a child play. You don't understand. You are underestimating the situation. Including you, everyone must be moved 30 meters away.
Even I'm trying my best. You please don't act over smart. We know how to do our duty. You try to seal the leak of the tanker.
Sir, don't get enraged. This matter is not simple as you imagine. For God's sake, remove these people from here.
Hey, move away. Move away.
Come on, chase them away.
Chase them away.
Hey,
Chase them away.
go back.
Run. Chase them away. Get move.
Go.
Move away. Move.
Oh my God.
Move.
Move away. I said move away.
I said move. Huh.
All holes sealed?
Yes, sir.
No more holes, right?
No, sir.
Are these tight
Yes,
enough?
sir.
Clear that side too. Raja, move the jeep away.
No! Hey! Don't start the jeep! Hey, please wait! Don't start the jeep!
Oh God. Oh no. Come with me.
Sir. Sir, we shall help you.
I don't need any help. Please save the people inside car.
Come.
Come.
Come here. Hold her.
Both of you check there. You come here. Get him to the hospital fast.
Check if anyone's inside. Fast.
Okay. Come on, fast, move.
Come on. Connect one more hose quickly. Spray the water down. Down there. Hold it. Take him.
Hold him. Sir, nobody's here, but some people are trapped in that mall.
Get the fire suit fast. Come out if anyone is here. Hello? Hello?
Quick! Hold him!
Come on! Come on, come this side! Come! Oh my God! Make it quick! Jump! Move! Please help! Bullet twist is there. Take it.
Come on, let's go.
Come here. Call the next vehicle.
What's the problem? Huh? Huh? What's it?
Brother Pillai.
Take the body away. I said take the body away. Take it to the tanker. Go, 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 go. Take the body.
What happened?
Sir, fire has been put off, sir. Fire force is active, sir. SI is also here, sir.
Come, sir. Move. Sir, the incident occurred in this area. The tanker fell over there.
Brother, this is really serious. There are leakages on all the 4 sides and also cracked below which is not visible. Probably gas would have spread out everywhere. Brother, this is beyond our control. It will take 5 to 6 hours for people from the refinery to get here.
Please do not panic. Try to cool down the tanker first.
But brother,
Listen, we are here to handle this situation. Please do not get panicky. To cool up the tanker, pump water from all 4 sides. Whatever happens, we cannot go from here without finding a solution. Prasad, listen, do not make the situation worse with unnecessary tension. We must handle this at any cost. Record the direction and the speed of the wind from all 4 sides and later submit the readings to me right now. Mark it clearly up to where the gas has spread at this moment. Quick! Go and cool the tanker first.
Anil, come. Sir, what would you like to say about this incident?
This area is completely under police control. Chances are very less for another mishap. No need to worry. Fire force has already completely put off their fire in that area. I have nothing more to say than this. We are searching for this car driver. We have not found him yet. He is missing. The commissioner has already left.
Sir, you can give the interview later. I request you to evacuate all the people from this vicinity right away.
Fire is put off, right? Then why?
Sir, the gas has spread all over the area. Request you all should move at least 300 meters away from here.
But we don't smell any gas here.
Sir, please don't talk senselessly. Only the cooking gas at home smells, but the gas from the refinery is odorless and colorless. Only this gas leak detector can find that out.
Then why didn't the tanker explode?
Sir, are you waiting for the tanker to explode? Leakages were sealed using tapes before the tanks could explode. Not even a spark has entered it. If it had entered, it would have exploded. Look there. Those droplets which are falling down is the gas. Within minutes, like vapor, it will spread out completely in double volume. So, in this circumstance, the fire can break out anytime. Even a small friction of stone against the shoe can cause a spark. So if you make people move away from here, at least that much casualties can be reduced. Sir, please.
Move away the people. Get going quickly. Hurry up.
Sir.
Hurry up. Go fast.
Gas is very powerful. It's spreading very fast, sir. More than we had thought.
What's the reading?
Around 20 to 25 meters.
Sir, please, sir. Let us in, sir. Sir, let us in, sir, please.
Go back. Hey, go back. Hey, please control them. Keep it here. Hey, move, please. Go back, please. Send them back. I need this space empty.
Who is in charge of Fire Force unit?
Few firemen were killed in the first blast, madam. And madam, station officer Vijay is the unit lead.
Call him.
The commissioner has arrived. Please report.
Vijay, what is the situation?
Madam, I have no time to explain it to each and every officer. Gas is spread in the wind's direction. Starting from the houses and the flats in the east and the west,
All people have to be evacuated within 1 kilometer radius.
Arey, what do you mean by evacuate? In such short time, there are around 500 houses here. If we have to evacuate the whole area, it's a hard task.
Madam, it's not a question of hard or soft. Decide whether people living within 1 kilometer radius should live or die. I mean, not to waste even a second. Madam, the time is 6 p.m. now. By half an hour, at 6:30 p.m. is the sunset. The possibility of spark is much higher at this time. All the houses normally switch on the lights and the lamps now. Just a spark. Just a spark is enough to reduce the entire area into ashes. Every minute that we are wasting on thinking is equal to spreading danger to thousands of lives. Come on, quick, please. Hey!
But for that, I require IG's consent.
Madam, as per my protocol to obey, I have reported to you. In 2 minutes, no matter whether you give consent to me or not, I will clear this area. You see, this area where Madam and I stand is also a danger zone. Mind it.
Okay, Vijay. Give me a minute.
Okay?
But madam,
Sir, what is this, sir? We are waiting for 3 hours. We desperately need some more information. Please, sir.
The situation is very critical. Permission is denied for news coverage. It is the special order from the commissioner. Please, you must
Sir,
cooperate.
what is this highly sensitive machine, sir? We are not criminals, but we are journalists. We need to come inside,
See,
sir.
I'm trying to explain everything politely.
What's
yes, ma'am.
happening here?
Madam, we have been waiting since morning. We need to cover this news.
See, in case this news gets out, it'll create panic in public and nothing else will happen. So please,
Madam.
try and cooperate.
madam, there is a problem. Please come.
What is it now?
Traffic 1.
Mission spot. This is the area he's saying. How is that possible? Yes, ma'am.
Call Vijay.
Yes, ma'am.
1 minute. Evacuation is quite impossible in such short time.
Why, Madam?
Based on the wind direction, you're asking us to evacuate this area. The compound that you see in 0.5 kilometer radius is the central jail. To evacuate this, we have to evacuate the jail. That is impossible. For that, we need Cabinet's order, Home Minister's special order, also the magistrate's consent. Apart from all this, we must find a safer place to move them. Come on, give me another solution. Next option.
We have no other option in such crucial situation. The only option we can try is to get the experts from the refinery to refill this gas into another tanker. But it will take 5 hours for them to reach. Do we have to take the high risk of waiting for them?
What do you mean? You want to leave all the prisoners to die, is it, sir?
Will you shut up? Don't talk nonsense.
For God's sake, Vijay, give me another solution.
The other option is risky. Stalking the life of the prisoners is risky. Last minute suggestion. Apart from us, no one should be aware of risk of jail.
All are aware of the jail here. How do we hide it?
1. From this moment, whatever we say is the danger zone. 2. Media must not be aware of this by any chance. First, we have to make the surrounding area of the jail danger-free. A little stronger evacuation. Not only the people from the house, but also the flammable objects like electric batteries, ignition coils, everything must be driven out. Then we must power out the entire area. If so, we can reduce the danger. In the meanwhile, you can proceed for the permission and the procedure to evacuate the jail.
Sir, 1 minute.
Excuse me.
Madam.
Sir, we may require 2 to 3 more units. There is no sign of the tanker cooling down. Sir, why don't we prevent the leakages using wooden pieces?
Crack is at the bottom of the tanker. We can't do anything until it's lifted. As the tanker is too hot, pressure will mount up if we move it. Only option is to cool it down.
But sir, the speed of the wind always varies. There are signs of rainfall too. The situation is not under control. The evacuation must be done immediately.
Keep me posted on the situation, okay? Yeah.
Madam, what happened? What's your decision, madam?
Regarding the jail situation, I'm not able to reach the higher authorities. Only they have the rights to issue the order.
Madam, I have already told you this is not an appropriate time to comply with the rules. Do or die. That situation is here. Either evacuate or let all of us die.
Ha! What can we do if we don't receive a responsible order? Such a situation is happening for the first time.
I don't mean prisoners. Do you have any problem in saving thousands of lives? One more thing. Fire force has the right to make own decisions in such crucial times. With that loophole, I begin the evacuation. What's your stand?
But listen.
Madam, I don't need reasons. Here onwards, I am going to take the command.
Taking command? You can't decide and do whatever as per your will. There are certain procedures.
Then you handle it. Let me mind my business.
You mind your business. We know how to handle things here.
Then you only handle it, sir. Until now, you handled it, didn't you?
Please, Vijay, please wait.
Madam, the situation is very crucial. 1 minute. Look at this. 21 people died. 64 people were burned. This happened after a small spark that created the earlier blast. Similarly, if there is another blast, within 1 kilometer radius where the gas is spread, definitely 1,000 to 10,000 people will die. Who will be answerable for that? Without understanding the situation, you have ego and protocols. If I had to lead this mission, there shouldn't be any movement without my instructions. No one should question me until it's done. Whoever it is, media, politicians or authorities, nobody should be permitted to enter the zone. This applies to all. I will handle the rest. I can handle. Hereafter, it's your wish.
All units. Commissioner, copy. Fireman Vijay will have the full command from now till the end of this operation. Full command.
Now the time is 6:10. We only have 20 minutes left. By 20 minutes, we must initially evacuate 300 meters radius. That is this area. By this time, the gas is spread in this area. By 20 minutes within 300 meter radius, all the houses and the commercial plots must be evacuated. Prior to that, we must first cut the electricity line. But if we do so, current goes. The next second, the emergency light in the houses will be switched on. Otherwise, emergency batteries will be ignited. If that happens, that moment the fire will spread out. So, only after alerting the people, switch off the battery equipments and then evacuate the people.
How is the evacuation process going to go? Do you have a plan?
We all must split into 3 teams. The team under police control should instruct the people through a megaphone. To ensure the safety of the houses, the fire force should dormant all the igniting activities.
Sir, these are practically possible.
We are here only to make it possible. Thirdly, we all will require the help of the people. Apart from that, we need someone in the team who is personally close to the people of this area. Only then we can convince them.
If so, I know a person. Even people also know him by name.
Who's that?
Comrade Iqbal.
Move this side. You can't go that side. Move your vehicle. I said move. Move.
Sir, it's you. I've seen you during the rescue
right,
operation.
sir.
Come here. All the houses in that area must be evacuated in 20 minutes.
Oh.
People will not immediately agree if we tell
No problem,
them.
sir.
But we need a team who can clearly explain the seriousness of the matter and convince them in peaceful
That will not be a problem, sir. I will send the respective ward members of the area along with them. They will convince them all. You go ahead, sir. I shall arrange the people. Thomas! Move aside. Don't you understand? Unne, all the respective ward committee members must assemble here in 5 minutes.
There is a committee meeting today. All of them would have assembled there.
During such calamity, party people must come forward and cooperate. Please understand that. They are not only meant for organizing committee meeting and collecting funds. It's a society problem. Committee members must reach here in 5 minutes at any cost. Go quickly. Call them.
Come.
Go fast.
All of you, come,
Where is
come.
Rajesh? Call him. Go fast.
Madam, now you can order the KSEB to switch off all these lights. Apart from all these, only the fire force's spark arrested hydraulic lights and soft density lights will be seen here. We should also instruct all the mobile providers to block the network now.
Come with me.
Everything seems to be settled. 4 extra units have reached the spot.
Okay.
Can I go to the hospital? I must settle the bill. My duty hours are over.
Duty hours are over for those who are standing there also. A fireman's duty is from the start of the operation to the end. Go and attend your work. Go now. Check if water is sufficient. Check it. Hey, who's that? Don't go there. Hello. Hey, I'm talking to you. Where are you going? Hey, mister, who's that fellow? Hello. Hey, stand there. Turn on the light, please. Hey, didn't I ask you to stop there? Hello. Open the door. I'm talking to you. Can't you hear me? Hey!
For last 6 hours, I've been running behind you looking for my daughter for 6 hours. Within 2 hours time, if you fail to get my daughter here, I will light this.
You're not aware of the depth of the danger. Please open the door.
He was the one who came to the station. Hello, don't you hear me? Come out. Hey, go away.
You better open the gate, or else I will kick it open.
Don't you hear me? Open the gate.
Open it.
Hey, open it. Kick it open. I said kick it open. Smash it. I said smash it.
Didn't I ask you not to kick? I'll give you a tight slap if you step forward. Don't be foolish. If he flicks the lighter, then finished. You, me, and the entire area. Not even that. Just the kick can cause spark to spread fire. Have you lost it? Use your common sense.
He is mad, sir.
What you are doing is also madness. If you really want to kick open and thrash him, you go ahead. Come here. We all must handle this situation very calmly and wisely. First, go and find out who is...
Sir, his name is Narendra Achari. He told me he lives in Kollam. He was upset about his daughter's illness. He was tired and weak. In fact, feeling empathy for him, I too accompanied him to the station to lodge a complaint, as he was in despair of disappearance of his daughter. It doesn't take too much time to lose composure.
Please come with me. Come here.
Sir, Police started to investigate seriously. Please don't act rashly. We have to find your daughter and go home. Stay calm. Just cooperate with the police. That's it.
Don't take any drastic steps as one or two policemen humiliated you. Like your daughter, lives of hundreds of children are at stake by your threat. Sir, please, trust me. Please come out calmly. No one here will trouble you. And also that lighter, throw that away.
Come on, sir, please. The entire police force will help you.
Thousands of lives are at stake after knowing that only I can stand here. As long as this is in my hand, this threat has power. Don't you think I need assurance that police force will recover my daughter safely? That is the only reason you are showing respect to me. Can you deny that? Please don't think that I have committed a mistake. I put forth my demand only after calculating the risk. 50 cubic volume LPG tankers turned down. 20% of gas was exploded in the first blast. Now 9 cubical LPG is filled within 1 kilometer radius. It is enough to turn the whole city into ashes. Now the only option left with you is to wait for refill and rescue, and it will take 5 hours time. Am I not accurate? I can mount pressure on you only for another 5 hours. After that, my threat will have no significance. Right, sir? Police who never cared about my daughter's life and chastity must at least deserve this. Let them also go through the mental agony I have gone through. Today, if I fail in this attempt, I don't wish to live. I'll flick this. Shit! Go and check out. Hey, please try to understand. I'll try to resolve it. Please calm down. Calm down. Now you must have understood that I am right.
Hey! Hey! Move! Are you people crazy? One fellow is about to set a blaze. You people! All of us are risking our lives here. Please admit that is your secret operation. Move!
Who ordered you to do the secret operation? I've already told you it's not the time to show your complex over smartness when I took up this task. If you have any specific plan for handling this situation, then go ahead, leave me. Huh. You people drive around the city left and right all 365 days. Prove it that time if you're smart. Not in the front of the person who's about to blow up this place. This is not your lathi chat, sir. Do all your tries, your attempts, and then call me if you fail.
What if he threatens the police? To set the whole place on fire, what should we do then?
Vijay, we just did an extra cover support. It was a last-minute charge.
Ultimately, what happened? If last-minute charge had delayed a second, he could have blown up the entire area.
It was a try.
Madam, please don't underestimate him. That man didn't come unintentionally and post a threat. He's got a definite plan. The tanker's weight, space of the spreading gas. He calculated everything and posted a threat. And I think he's a bit abnormal. We are not sure how he would react. Don't take a chance with him, please.
Vijay, the situation is growing intense here. Reporters have already camped about 500 meters away. It will not take 5 minutes to spread the news. We have to do something now.
Our priority is not to disclose the news about the jail. If they know, we'll have to face more terrific situation than this.
Sir, please try and understand. The greatest problem and the threat is that Achari. We have to cool him down. That's also the integral part of the mission. There is no use torturing him. First, we have to calm him down. And the only option that is left with us is to find his daughter. One more thing.
Excuse me, madam.
Yes?
An emergency in jail.
What's it?
Prisoners have turned more violent. They somehow knew about the gas leak, madam. You must come there, madam. Open it! Open it! Open it! Open it! Open it! Open it! We will be burned to ashes!
will break it!
Open it!
Idiot!
Open it!
Huh?
I'll break
Open
it!
it! I said open it! Open it! Otherwise we will break it!
I said break it!
Open it! I said open it!
Open it!
Access.
Madam, 500-meter radius of the jail are still under the safe zone. But depending upon the wind speed, at any moment the gas may spread over here. Also, madam, remove all the flammable objects and the equipments from the prisoner's cell.
What element would they have to cause a spark here?
Anything, madam. BD, matchbox, battery, even a piece of metal is enough.
Open the gate! Open it!
Otherwise we will break it!
Otherwise
Open
I will
it!
burn it to ashes.
Open it!
Open it!
Open it!
Otherwise I will burn it to ashes.
Open it! Otherwise we will break it!
Open the gate!
Open it! Open it! I said open it!
Open it! Otherwise I will burn it to ashes.
Go and put it there! Go and put it there!
Open the gate! Open it!
Open it! Otherwise I will burn it to ashes. Open it! Otherwise I will burn it to ashes.
Open it! Otherwise we will break it!
Open it! Otherwise I will burn it to ashes.
I said open it!
Open it! Otherwise I will burn it to ashes.
Now, Vijay, I will not permit anyone to enter at this violent situation. It's really dangerous. Have you seen it? It's like a spirit of honestness. It's hard to bring them under our control. Let's move. If we act without understanding repercussion of the situation, there will be even bloodshed in jail. It's needless for them to realize whether it's a gas leak or a disaster. Just an opportunity for them to escape.
How can we simply keep watching it?
I didn't mean that. Let any political leader or religious leader visit here. Explain and convince them the fact. Only then we'll be able to do something. Let me talk to ADGP. Move it, move it.
What happened?
Over there, sir.
Sir, please.
Please come, sir. Move them. Sir, entry is not allowed, sir.
Where is the commissioner?
She's inside, sir.
Oh.
The situation is not as we think, sir. We need to cut the electricity here.
Now, Vijay. Whatever may be the reason, electricity or communication system should not be cut in jail. That's the government rule.
Sir,
Yeah.
the matter is very serious. Family and relatives of all the prisoners are at the gate. Sir, please come.
Please leave us! Please leave us! We are going to die! Please allow them to go inside!
Let him free.
Please!
He was
I'm requesting you! I'm begging you, please allow me to go inside!
Please let him free,
Let him free,
sir. He is my only son. Please. Sir, tomorrow is my son's parole. Please let him free. He has not done anything. He hasn't committed any crime.
Move!
Please let him free. He is my only son. If anything happens
go on,
to him, I
move.
will hang myself. Sir, people are inside, also human beings. If anything happens to them,
Please answer
No one
me,
needs
sir.
this place.
Please don't be so hard-hearted. Please let me free, sir. Please, sir. Please.
Come back.
Please, sir. Listen
Move aside.
to us,
Move
sir.
aside. I said,
Please,
move
please
aside.
be my
Move.
son,
Stop it.
Sir. He's not done anything.
Move aside! Not for killing or burning you, only for your protection day and night, understood? What nonsense is all this? Even I had experienced many lathi charges for protesting the police, understand? Think! We must think according to the situation. Move all of you. Move away. Sir, you come. Move away. Give away.
Hey, side.
Madam, get in.
Come on, come this
Move
side.
away. Move away. Sir, get in.
Hey, stop it. Go back.
Move away. Move away aside. Move. Sir, you move.
Go back.
No. Gas is spreading towards this area. Central jail is over here.
Oh, Vijay.
Can you suggest any other option rather than evacuating the jail?
Actually, we have already discussed it, sir. The only option left out is refilling. People must come from Coimbatore. I assume that they'll take at least 5 hours to reach here. Until that time, I have no idea where the gas will be spread.
Sir, just a minute. Sir, see there.
What happened?
Brother, pressure has mounted up suddenly. Because of the heat formed during the enormous blast. Those refinery techniques can't even go near.
Where are they exactly?
Over there.
Driver of the tanker must reach here immediately. What is the air condition? Can they reach immediately? We must know the pressure gauge of the tanker. Meter details are not shown in this.
Call the commissioner. Shahjahan, call the second unit as soon as possible. Pump water from it. I try to cool it down. Hurry up.
Vijay, pressure has mounted and blave has formed. If it's not controlled now, new blister will form again. Apart from that, there is a possibility for the back plate to burst. Vijay, if the pressure build up again, within second, it will blast. It's been mounting. Pressure must be handled.
How?
The meter panel below the precision point has to be lowered to 60 cubic volume and release the pressure valve. But it's dangerous. Pressure gauge variation will suddenly cause boil inside. It might blast.
You mean 60 cubic volume?
Vijay! Oh, Vijay! No, Vijay! Listen to me.
Vijay! Ipo ponda! Vijay! No!
Has the unit arrived?
Yes.
Hurry up, do it, move!
Did you notice that? The chassis is connecting lamp has not clipped properly. Useless fellow. Look how carelessly they have handled. Otherwise it wouldn't have fallen down. Idiots are not concerned about anybody's safety.
Sir, the ruckus before the jail has cooled down for some extent. Needlessly, somebody triggers this problem to achieve fame. We can find such shameless people everywhere. Did you notice the woman? Somebody went to their home, informed them, and then brought them here. Somebody is intentionally doing this.
Over. Vijay, tanker's drivers are missing from the hospital. To away from this accident case, they might have absconded. I have passed the information to the refinery.
Somebody is intentionally doing this.
Please let him free. He is my only son. If anything happens to him, I will hang myself.
Madam, this was not an accident. Somebody deliberately did it.
Police who never cared about my daughter's life and chastity must at least deserve this. Let them also go through the mental agony I have gone through.
It's a setup, a conspiracy. These all are connected. The lorry accident, the way it happened, a mysteriously planned Achari's threat. All of a sudden, conflict inside the jail. The news precisely leaked in the news channels. All these stirred up the prisoners' relatives through that. It's all a hatched plot, a clear sabotage plan.
Don't you think I need assurance that police force will recover my daughter safely? That is the only reason you are showing respect to me. I put forth my demand only after calculating the risk. Now 9 cubicle LPG is filled within 1 kilometer radius. It is enough to turn the whole city into ashes.
Is there any solid proof to endorse this information?
Sir, all the tanker drivers are missing from the hospital. They weren't the ones sent by the refinery. Refinery authorities have confirmed this.
Apart from that, Narendra Achari said he had been to scanning center to collect his daughter's reports, but that was fake. In fact, he only did a routine checkup, sir. Even the jail warden connect your suspicions.
Some of the prisoners were aware of this evening's incident earlier, sir. Jail supervisor provided us this information. I'm damn sure someone with sharp brain is behind this plot. The problem now is the prisoners are now looking for a way to escape. That's it, sir.
So you don't need any doubt on this. A plan to rescue a VIP or rescue a person of a similar profile. It all seemed to be a sabotage plan.
Any possibility of tracing such a high-profile person from jail records?
It's not that, sir. There are around 400 prisoners in the jail. It could be anybody among them, sir. But in this situation, we can't arrive at a pinpoint decision, sir, because we neither have such an evident message nor intelligence report. Sir, that's why we must suspect each and everyone equally, sir.
If it is to rescue the person, what would be their mode of operation?
Sir, in this situation, they very well know there is no option but to shift the jail prisoners from there, sir. So, their attack will only be after shifting. One, when we will be shifting, it will be on the route, or it will be in the shelter where we shift them.
In such a situation, we have no other option. We have to shift the jail. If they still attempt to rescue with our tight security force, let's wait and see.
Sir,
The moment we receive the consent, you should begin shifting the jail.
Sir. No, sir. That's dangerous.
Why?
This group's plan is not insignificant. They have bigger intentions.
I don't get you.
Sir, when they could do so much, definitely they are not going to attack on the shifting spot or on the road.
Then?
They must be well aware that we will deploy the forces in such situations. So, only after weakening our forces, they will try to ambush us. Apart from that, after this gas spread zone, they may try to attack us at any place. Surely, at that time, forces will defend, right?
Exactly.
That moment, in that very second, they will eliminate us.
But how?
They will set ablaze the gas spread area, which will be bigger than a bomb explosion. Even if all the forces of the state are deployed, everybody's attention will be there only. That is their moment. That time they will strike us. So, jail shifting is more dangerous.
Then what else to do?
Sir, actually I was discussing with the refinery technician. Amal, 1 minute.
Yes.
It's a off-book process. Without waiting for refilling equipment, using the local equipments only, the LPG from this tanker can be shifted to another tanker.
Okay. Having such a good option, why haven't you done it for so long? Sir, that involves risk. As it's not licensed operation, it's risky. Okay. Are you confident enough to perform this operation? As a refinery technician, are you confident about? Can you take the full responsibility? Tell me. Sir, it's risky. Whether it's risky or not, it's not my question. Can you do it? Sir, but...
Sir, I'll take care. I'll do it.
No, Vijay. We can't take up the risk. It's an issue of answering to the life of 400 prisoners.
But sir, we can't rule out there's a possibility of another blast. We all have reached here on this mission staking our life. Do you want to admit defeat at this stage?
Vijay, until now you have handled your task perfectly. I really appreciate you. Now onwards, you will only assist the police when they need you. You may please wait outside and wait for the next order. For now, I need to personally discuss with IG. If explosion occur as Vijay said, what would be the casualty?
In the gas spread area, the common people casualty will be less. The next is fire force team. In this situation, they can't be away from the spot, sir.
If the jail is not activated, 400 people will be burnt. There is a problem if we evacuate it. What will happen to the firemen? Casualty?
As part of the duty, they may have to take risks, sir.
The jail must be shifted as soon as possible. That is cabinet decision. Let's keep this discussion between us. No one should know about this.
Sir.
Why are you standing here?
Brother, we are well aware of the danger here. Then with what courage are we still here? Listen, it's really very, very dangerous. Brother, tell me the truth. Won't all of us reduce to ashes? This is not right. Don't take poor lives deliberately.
It's our duty. We must abide by it.
Duty? Huh. For what? Despite doing our duty day and night, taking our own lives, do you really think it's worth it? Whatever. At the end, only police officers will decide whether to prevent it or not. Brother our Pillai sir died just half an hour before his retirement period. Does anyone remember at least 1% of his devotion towards the duty? There are many responsibilities, sir. Being away from my sick mom, leaving my 1-month-old infant, I'm standing here. No. I don't want to die here knowingly. Maximum I'll get suspended. And I don't care a damn about it.
Vijay, whatever you said only will happen here. Listen, Vijay. Safety is more important for us now. You can move to the safe zone until the jail shifting is done. It might be against your duty ethics, or it could even end up in a suspension. I know that. Just think about safety now, and not ethics, Vijay.
Madam, there is something you don't know. Common people who dial 101 have a trust that the fire force will surely secure them from whatever the mishap is happening. For safeguarding the trust, even if a crow, hen or any animal is trapped, we readily do it without any hesitation. Let police, minister or whoever go back. But before that, I am not ready to surrender the morale of the fire force in front of someone who has posed this threat.
Okay, listen. All shifting roads must be blocked. Place tight security on the bypass road. From anywhere, any moment, an attack can be expected.
Sir, red alert has been issued. 5 kilometer radius is fully sealed.
Anyways, ensure safety of the cells before evacuation.
Yes, sir.
We require fire force clearance for that. Ask Unit Command Vijay to meet me as soon as possible. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Please don't create any ruckus. Cigarette, BD, matchbox. Don't use any flammable objects. There's a possibility of gas being spread. Did you all understand? There's a possibility of gas being spread. Please don't create any ruckus. Everyone stay calm. We all shall resolve it. Okay? Yo.
Leave us, leave us, leave us. We want to go out. Leave us, please leave us. Please leave us. Please leave us. This side, run, run, run. Please leave us. We want to leave. Open the door. Close the door, close the door. We want to go out. We want to go out. Please leave us. Please, we want to go out. Please, please.
Shit.
Sir, it's not possible to shift the jail now, sir. We must find another solution.
Pass the message to Minister immediately. Get the commandos here, quick, move!
Please connect the pipe fast. Prasad, put off the fire in 5 minutes.
In 5 minutes, sir?
Gas is already spread up to 100 meters from here. In 5 minutes it will spread here. Everything should be managed by then. I said you go quick. I will manage here. Go!
Fire is flaring up. We are only 3, sir. We need more. We also need more horses.
We must do it anyhow. We only have 5 minutes from now. I'll control the force of the engine. I'll maintain the pressure, whatever you say. Go! I said move fast. Enough! Where were you for so long? Useless. Maintain the pressure. Spray the water. Over there. Shahjahan! Hey!
Oh, Shahjahan!
Take care.
Vijay,
We must immediately carry on with the safety precautions for jail shifting. We have no time. The entire force is waiting. Come on, quick.
Sir, he has been with me for 5 years.
Calm down, Vijay. It's not the time to be emotional. It's a duty, Vijay. It is the risk of the force. We have to face it.
So you mean you will let all my people die here?
No, Vijay.
No, sir. The deceased also had a family and a life. None of your concern. Hope you know that traitor's life in jail is worth crores of rupees, sir. And that son of bitches get full police force security. And all these things are granted by the government. And the poor people, for their ration and pension, they have to walk into government offices.
Vijay, don't be emotional.
Sir, end of the day, we all are human beings, sir. I also have bloody emotions for my teammates. What is wrong with that, sir?
So what?
What do you want us to do, Vijay?
I want him now. I want to know who is he.
This is not the appropriate time to show your personal vengeance. Now, I just want to know one thing. Before the jail evacuation, Fire Force must certify that jail is safe. That is your duty. Do that first and rest later. No more excuses. For jail shifting, are you ready to help or do I have to look out for someone else? Now you decide.
I don't feel like leaving.
This is not right. Don't take poor lives deliberately.
Sir, give me the keys. Sir, give me the keys. Sir, please. Sir, no. Vijay, sir, don't go there. Sir, please. Sir, please don't listen to them. Please open the gate, sir.
Vijay, open the gate. Open the gate. Don't go there.
If I have to open the gate, I must get him.
What nonsense is this? Aren't you disciplined, officer? The full force is handling such situation, taking so much risk. Don't consider this as your personal problem. As your teammate died in this mission, do you want to stake all the innocent lives, Vijay? Tell me.
Sir, do you find my teammates' death so trivial and non-valuable? The lives of every single person who died in the mission is valuable, sir.
Vijay, we know how to handle him. We will shortly find him and punish him. That's the duty of the police force.
When? Where? How? You must find him for me right now, right here, and punish him right away. What's the point in punishing him after hundreds of years? By then he would have committed hundreds of crimes as possible, and then punishing him is of no use. That's the reason I want him right now.
We have no time for peaceful discussion. He doesn't seem to calm down. My options are to attack. The commando force is fully ready, sir. I'm just waiting for your order, sir, please.
Police may not find our enemies so easily, but you have been together in confined walls for so many days. So, you don't need much time and you will easily find him out. And you all know the enemy is amongst you only. You all decide and tell me.
Sir, we are running out of time. Take some decision quickly.
If a man tries to escape, staking everyone's life here inside, then he will surely not see the outside world. We need only 1 hour's time. He can find himself. But if you really want us to do it, you should assure us what you said is true. Open this gate and come to our side and stand beside us. Can you stand with us? Do you dare to do it? You do it and stand beside us courageously. Then you will immediately find it.
Sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sir, just a minute. We have made a blunder. Whom are we trying to protect? A criminal who is in jail? The one standing there isn't Fireman Vijay, but a common man representing me and you. Just think, hasn't he taken the stand when we were supposed to take? Sir, our enemy is not Vijay, but the criminals in the jail.
what is
Hey,
it?
hey, Wait, sir.
Hey, what is this?
Vijay, don't do this.
Hey! Move! 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 Sir came in trusting us. None of you should move. Panapan, Shashank, Bhargava. They are the supervisor here. He is A block, D block, G block and C block. Without their knowledge, in the cell block, not even a fly can move. You will have to do whatever helps our needs.
I just want to know how many people use mobile phones here.
I want to know who is the criminal among all these prisoners. Within half an hour's time. It's my order.
Listen.
Yes, madam.
I need complete case details of the inmates in Central Prison.
Okay, ma'am.
All the stations linked with crime and criminal networking system must restore connecting.
Okay.
See, we have very, very limited time.
But ma'am.
No ifs and buts. I need every bit of information. Immediate.
Come on.
Give me the history of these 4 people right now. Go.
He is not like what we all imagined. He does not have the brain of an ordinary fireman. To trap the wolf in the sheep grab, he is trying to use the goat flocks.
Sir,
I now understand he is trying to clear the dirt through the prisoners. To win a battle, what we need is not 100 cannons, but a sharp mind. He has it with him.
തന്റെ കേസ് എന്താ? തന്റെ പേരെന്താ?
Someone of a bigger age group. These are just 2 stations. Where are the rest?
Sir, those 4 people are robbers and pickpocketers. And I have found 2 more people. Other than this, I haven't found anyone else, sir.
Send all the shortlisted names to my office. Number 1 and 22, get on the big screen.
Please tell me, in last few days, have you found anything strange in anyone's activities? I mean, anyone with too many visitors, or often missing from cell, or anyone calling someone secretly, anything like that? If so, please try and remember. Go.
Let me report this to madam. Madam, Narendra Achari is dead.
What?
Sir, there is no such person as you think among us, sir. Seems like there is a mistake somewhere. Please come, sir.
We inquired by all means, sir. There is no such culprit here. Let the police find out the culprit who has taken so many lives. Please, for God's sake, leave us, sir. That would be better, sir.
Sir, we inquired maximum about everybody. Please don't be so adamant. Let us also leave.
Sir, didn't you tell that the gas is spreading? How dare you tell like that?
Hey,
Come on.
don't spare him.
Sir, the situation is going out of control, sir. Don't permit this situation to persist for any reason. Commando must get in as soon as possible. Sir.
Hey, go back. Leave me. Go back. Sir. Hey. 50 cubic LPG tanker has overturned here. It's been 5 hours. Gas would have almost spread all over the area. If you delay any more, the whole city will be burned.
Only the police and the fire force was aware of this. How did you know so accurately? Who told you? Answer me. Answer me, I said!
Don't come closer. If you come, I'll flick it. If I flick it, you, me, and the whole area will be in ashes. Get back!
Come on, flick it. Flick it. Flick it. Not just a spark. Even if a bigger blast occurs, nothing will happen to this area. The plot you hatched and planned so well was misfired by Kerala Fire Force an hour ago. Common people who dial 101 have a trust in their heart. We are the people who safeguard, and I'm not ready to surrender the morale of the fire force. Not only to rescue, we must realize that we know to retaliate.
What do you mean by retaliate?
Can you stand by me?
Off the records.
I need only 2 people.
It's not a child's play. Refilling must be done cautiously like a needle surgery.
To do the refilling over here, what are the things that are required? Please make a list.
How many plumbers do you need, sir? I'll help you.
Not only that, to refill this we need another tanker.
You don't need to worry about all that. I will arrange the tankers.
All we need is a time. Just 2 hours.
Shifting of jail, if we intend, can be extended for 3 hours, sir.
Don't worry, please. Everyone calm down.
Inside the jail, one of our member is there, Binoy, in the cell number 2. His number is 412. I will give you the letter. Give it to him. He will do the rest.
What's your name? Binoy. Comrade Iqbal gave me this.
It's not possible to shift the jail now, sir. We must find another solution.
Vijay, our plan has worked out. The main cell of the jail is closed. Until they ease themselves, we are not shifting them. 2 hours. We have got 2 hours time.
Like what Sir told, I have done a fireman's job sincerely and finely. Now to find out the person behind it and questioning him is all police's responsibility. So, thanks.
A tanker lorry turned over in the city, killing 25 people. 70 are injured. Among the dead, there are 2 fire officers too.
Both inside and outside the nation, after creating a series of explosions, the hardcore terrorist is caught. It's found that he had come to conduct a series of explosions in the city. Quite unexpectedly, he was being caught on a minor.
As he was under remand, the move made by the gang to save him was nullified by the cops, as told by IG to media reporters.
The main news headlines once more. A tanker lorry turned over in the city, killing 25 people. 70 are injured. Among the dead, there are 2 fire force officers.
Hello. What time? Okay.
The bodies of Shahjahan Pillai sir will reach now at district office.
Hello? Yes?
Sir, at the district 5 force office, Shahjahan Pillai sir's body will be reaching. We were waiting for you, sir. Shall we leave, sir?
Okay. Sir. Sir, at bypass there's a bus accident. 10 to 20 people are trapped. It's an emergency call.
Sir.
Take the vehicle. On dialing 101, every ordinary person has a hope. In any danger, that one fire force person will come to save you.